Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinonsu, and on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. In today's episode, I'll be talking about how you can make more sales on WhatsApp. How you can make more sales on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. Literally everyone has WhatsApp on their phone, and a large majority of us use WhatsApp for just chatting and having fun. Well, that was the purpose why WhatsApp was created, for building bonds, for connecting with people on a personal level, and building relationships. But today, WhatsApp has grown beyond a messaging app. It has become a place where sales can be made, where millions of naira can be earned, especially if you know these things I'm about to share with you. So, in today's tutorial, I will show you my tips and strategies that have helped me make multiple six figures on WhatsApp. This information I'm about to share with you is sacred and you won't find it anywhere. So do well to appreciate my effort by hitting the subscribe button and share this video with your friends so that more people can learn how to make sales on WhatsApp. Alright, let's get started. So have you heard of the saying, sales is a game of numbers? Okay, if you haven't, I'm telling you now, sales is a game of numbers. The amount of people that see your product or service on a particular day determines how much sales you make that day. And amazingly, WhatsApp is the third most used social media platform in the world. You can see this, right? Alright, what does this tell you? It means that you have the opportunity to show your products to millions of people every single day and make a lot of sales. When you hear people say that they are making millions on WhatsApp, it is simply because they have a large audience on their WhatsApp. The key to selling on WhatsApp is views. How many people are viewing your products? How many people are seeing your products on your status every day? Once you have the numbers, like once you have the views, just learn some of the strategies I'm about to review to you and see yourself make crazy sales every day. If you still don't have up to 1000 views on WhatsApp, like daily, then you want to check the video description for a video on how to get 1000 status views within 30 days. So if you want to start using WhatsApp as a business tool to make more sales, the first thing you want to focus on is generating traffic to your WhatsApp, because without traffic there won't be anything like sales. More traffic equals to more contacts equals to more views equals to more sales. So now, how do you get this traffic we are talking about? How do you generate the views and contacts? There are three ways you can go about traffic generation on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp. We have the manual method, and the second one is by using WhatsApp TVs. Then we have the third one, which is by running Facebook WhatsApp ads. So now let's talk about the manual method. How does this work? So the manual method involves you trying to generate lead without spending a dime on advertisement. When it comes to manual traffic generation, it is important you have a lead magnet. I'll be talking briefly about these things because if you have to talk fully about it, we could spend the whole day. You can also check the video description for links to some of them. In fact, you can make reference to my videos on my channel to get more knowledge on things like lead magnets, traffic generation, growing WhatsApp views, and some other things. So let's get back to discussing the manual method. So how does the lead magnet works on generating traffic to your WhatsApp? In fact, what is a lead magnet? Okay, a lead magnet is something you give to people for free in exchange for their contact. The idea behind this is, after creating your lead magnet, you have to go to different social media platforms and share to people for free. Before now, you must have created a WhatsApp link using the WhatsApp link generator. You can also check the description on how to create a WhatsApp link. So your WhatsApp link makes it easy for people to connect with you on WhatsApp. So how does this work? Let's assume you are into shoemaking. You could come up with a mini ebook on how to get your perfect shoe size or how to maintain your shoes. Then you get to join groups where you have your target audience and offer to share the mini ebook for free. Alongside the ebook, you will add a caption containing your WhatsApp link to make it easy for people to connect with you. With this method, you'll be able to get those that are solely interested in your product. Obviously, whoever clicks your WhatsApp link to claim the mini ebook will be a shoe lover. Hope you are getting me, guys. So that means more audience for the shoemaker, right? Awesome, awesome. So now, join as many active groups on Facebook as possible. Then share your lead magnet to as many places as possible, including Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and so on. The more views your lead magnet gets, the more people will likely come to your WhatsApp DM to claim it. So once you start getting people in your DM, ask them to save your number before giving them the lead magnet. You know it's only those that have your number saved that will see your status, right? So ensure that they save your contacts before giving them the lead magnet. So that's exactly how the manual method works. I guess you understand, guys. This method is quite slow and it requires a lot of consistency to get results. All right. So let's talk about the second way you can generate traffic to your WhatsApp. So the second way, which involves you using a WhatsApp TV to generate leads. WhatsApp TVs are guys that have a large audience on their WhatsApp. These guys usually have 3,000 and above WhatsApp views and charge people who wish to reach out to their audience. So what you do now is just create your flyer and also a short copy containing your link and reach out to any WhatsApp TV for their service. The good thing about this method is you can generate a lot of leads within a short period of time. And the bad side is you have no control over the quality of leads that can come into your DM. So I will advise that you study any WhatsApp TV and look out for the kind of content they post before patronizing them. That will give you a clue about the kind of audience they have. I guess you understand, guys. So just ensure that you study them, you study the WhatsApp TV you want to patronize, and if you see that they are posting so many unserious content on their status, it shows that probably their audience are also unserious. So if they are posting like serious stuff, if they are posting educative stuff, informative stuff on their status, that will give you a clue that okay, I think my audience are here. Hope you understand me, guys. So let's talk about the third method of generating traffic to your WhatsApp. So the third method of generating traffic to your WhatsApp is by running Facebook and Instagram ads. By running Facebook and Instagram ads. So this is the best method because you can control the quality of leads that come to your WhatsApp. Like you could target the kind of people you want in your WhatsApp. You can also determine the quantity of leads that come to your DM depending on how much you want to spend. This particular method is very fast, easy, and predictable when it comes to generating leads. Okay, guys, so these are the three ways or the three methods you can drive traffic to your WhatsApp. The first one I said is by the manual method, which involves you creating a lead magnet and sharing it across different social media platforms to get people to your DM. The second method, which I say, is by patronizing the WhatsApp TV guys. And the third method, which is by running Facebook or Instagram ad. So once you've tried any of these three methods and you're already getting those potential customers, there are some key things you want to do to start making consistent sales on WhatsApp. There are some key things you must know if you want to make consistent sales on WhatsApp. Alright, I guess by now we have established the fact that having views is very important in WhatsApp sales. But you need to know that talking about views, it is not just limited to your WhatsApp status views. Are you getting my point, guys? It is not just limited to your WhatsApp status views. There are four ways your audience can get to hear about your brand on WhatsApp. The first one is through WhatsApp DM. The second one is through WhatsApp status, which is obviously the most popular one. The third one is through WhatsApp group. And the last one is through WhatsApp broadcast. So you can see that you don't just want to focus on your WhatsApp status. There are other channels through which your audience can also view your products, can also know about your brand or view your brand. So how well can you use these four features to increase your chances of making sales on WhatsApp? So let's start with the WhatsApp DM. I'll be outlining simple rules that could increase your business sales on WhatsApp. So hope you guys are ready. Hope you are ready for this secret I'm about to reveal to you. So when it comes to the WhatsApp DM, there are some basic rules you must follow. So the first one is always ask any new person trying to make inquiry about your product or service to save your contact. Once they come to your DM to make any inquiry, it is important you ask them to save your contact. The second rule is that when someone makes an inquiry, the first thing you want to do is to find out what problem they are trying to solve. You want to find out what problem they are trying to solve. That way, you'll be able to offer the best solution to their problem. The mistake a lot of business owners make is that they offer many products even without finding out the need of the prospect. Imagine a doctor giving a prescription to a patient without diagnosing what is wrong with the patient. I guess you can see the mistake you've been making, right? So that's the same thing you are doing. Like when a customer comes to your DM and you start recommending products, without knowing what problem they are trying to solve. All right, so you want to put these two things into consideration when it comes to DM marketing, when it comes to WhatsApp DM marketing. So let's talk about the second point of contact with your audience on WhatsApp. So let's talk about the WhatsApp status, okay? So the first rule pertaining to the WhatsApp status is you must limit posting too many posts on your status. You must limit posting too many posts or too many content on your status. I will say that the maximum post you should have on your status is 10 posts. I see a lot of business owners that post countless products and price on their status. You want to stop this if this is what you have been doing, okay? Because this will eventually bore your audience and they will stop viewing your status. I will say the maximum post you should have on your status is 10 posts, and ensure that they are valuable content. Ensure that there are things that inform your audience about your products, not just you trying to make sales only. Ensure that there are content that talks about solutions that you're offering. Hope you're understanding me, guys. So the second rule you must follow when it comes to the WhatsApp status is you want to stick to the 80-20 rule. You want to stick to the 80-20 rule when posting content on your status. So the 80-20 rule says that 80% of your content should be pure value without any attempt to sell. 80% of your content should be pure value without any attempt to sell, and 20% should be focused on sales. So if you're one of those that all you post on your status is just come and buy, I guess one stray bullet has touched you, right? So you want to ensure that you don't just focus on asking your audience to buy from you. You want to also give them value. You want to like impact them, educate them, and also give them freebies, give them lectures, give them solutions. Hope you are getting me, guys. So now the third point of contact is through your WhatsApp group. Through your WhatsApp group. So how does this work? Or what are the rules you must follow here? So the first thing is you must learn to organize free training around your industry. People love free things. So do free trainings that will attract people to your group. And the good thing is people will buy from you once they see you as an expert because they've gotten a lot of value from you. So the last point of contact is the broadcast list. So this one is very tricky. This one is very tricky because some people could actually find broadcast messages as annoying or very annoying. So there are some basic rules you must follow here if you want to increase your WhatsApp sales. So the first rule is that you must seek permission of people before adding them to your broadcast list. You must seek their permission. In fact, if you seek their permission and they agree, these people will always be excited to hearing from you. They will always be excited to receiving your message. So always seek for permission before adding anyone to your broadcast list. So the second rule you must follow is if you must add anybody to your broadcast list, send messages just once a week. Just once a week so that they don't block you or report your number as spam. You definitely don't want WhatsApp to restrict you, right? So ensure that you don't spam them with so many messages, at least once a week or at most twice a week. So the third rule you must follow is ensure that you are sharing pure value with your broadcast messages. Ensure you are sharing pure value with your broadcast messages. This alone makes people receptive to your message. Like they always look forward to your message once they see that it's value you are giving in the broadcast message. So if you begin to utilize all these features on WhatsApp, these four channels or these four points of contact, I guarantee that you are going to make massive sales in your business. You are going to make massive sales in your business. Like if you are able to generate traffic to your WhatsApp using any of the three methods I mentioned or all of the three methods I mentioned, and also follow these rules I just listed to you, trust me, you are guaranteed to make a lot of sales. So now, because you stayed to the end of this video, I will give you my top secrets to making sales on WhatsApp aside traffic generation. So the secret is you must learn to share testimonies and reviews on your WhatsApp. If you wish to make sales, if you wish to make massive sales, you must learn to share testimonies and reviews on your WhatsApp. The second secret is you must learn to give offers. You must learn to give offers. This will give you an edge over your competitors and bring more sales for you. So do you want to learn how to create offers? Do you want to learn how to create offers? Alright, so comment offer creation in the comment section and I'll give you a video on how to create offers in my subsequent video. Alright, so we come to the end of this video tutorial. Do it to subscribe to my channel if you got value. See you in my next video.